Everybody, Scojo Insta360 here. It's round 2 of the side-by-side comparison of the GoPro Max and the Insta360 One X. Today, audio. It's important. GoPro, start recording. It is round 2 of the battle royale between the Insta360 One X and the GoPro Max. We are back at the Mount Bachelor Nordic Center. Today I'm going to go down Screamer Hill using the audio. Now, there are a lot of audio settings now on both of these cameras. The Insta360 One X has true audio. I will turn that on. And then we have a wind filter on the GoPro Max, which I will turn on, but I will not be recording the raw file on the GoPro Max. So, regular stereo audio out of the GoPro Max with the windscreen on or wind filter on, and true audio on the Insta360 One X. Let's do this. All right, so now we've got some good background noise from the snow. And we're gonna have some shadows and of course some wind. So how are they holding up? There's the true audio on one side. There's the GoPro Max with the wind filter on the other side. You're definitely getting some wind going now. If you can hear me, that's a good thing because it's fairly windy. And now we are coming down to the end of our test. How'd it go? Now the Insta360 has had 2 updates to the audio. One just kind of boosted the gain, and I actually liked it quite a bit. The new one called True Audio, not a huge fan of. It goes pretty hard on the noise reduction and has a tendency to make it a little bit frail and also a little bit phased. So what I'm going to do is switch it on and off throughout this clip, because the other downside to it is you don't really get to hear it until it's basically processed. So sometimes it's going to be on, sometimes it's going to be off. So you can tell the difference. Is one phasing a lot? Is one more clear? Both of these will only have gain added to them in post-production. So, Insta360 One X audio, what do you think? I think we should put it to one more test at that hill over there. Alright, the final test. This is a dicey one. We're going to go pretty fast down a hill here. Can you hear me? Because I'm talking and I'm probably going about 25 miles an hour. The wind's got to be pretty severe. We'll do some playing around with the true audio. And you can decide for yourself. Whew. I put myself in danger for you. With Jesus. Alright, well that does it for chapter 2 of the side-by-side comparison GoPro Max Insta360 One X. Leave your comments about the audio in the section below. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this with your friends, because aren't they worth it? Also, hit that little bell on the side, ding 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 ding, because it's so much fun. Alright, nobody's around. Let's wrap this up like we always do. Ugh.